Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the candle time indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator shows us the remaining time of the current candle until it closes. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the color of this meter, which we can adjust according to our preference. The next option is the font size. The following option is the font used to display this text.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
The next option is the display mode of these numbers. If it should be a bar, this number is displayed next to the last candle. And if it's a comment, it is displayed in the comment, meaning in this corner. You can see that this comment impression is displayed, and the last option is the shift, which is used when our display mode is set to bar. The shift to point ensures it is below this bid line. By default, it displays 10 below this line, and we can increase or decrease this value. You can see that in this mode, it is displayed lower. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.